So first question number 1a. See the question. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, then the value of x by y plus z is, that you have to find out. See, x plus y plus z equal to 0. That means y plus z equal to minus x. So x by y plus z, that will be equal to x by minus x and will be equal to minus 1. So minus 1 will be the answer. This one. Okay. Option 4. Now question number B. See the question. A, B, C, D are in proportion. The value of this one is equal to. Okay. So first, if A, B, C and D are in proportion, that means A by B equal to C by D. Okay. Now, if you square both the side, what will happen? A square by B square is equal to C square by D square. That you can write. Now see, that means A square by C square is equal to B square by D square. আমরা এটাও লিখতে পারি। Why? এই যে এইভাবে লেখাটাকে, মানে a by b equal to b by c, b equal to c by d, এটাকে আমরা কিভাবে লিখতে পারি? এটাকে তো এইভাবেও লিখতে পারি, a by c equal to b by d। কেন লিখতে পারি? কারণ দুটোর ক্ষেত্রেই ক্রস মাল্টিপ্লিকেশনে একই জিনিস আসবে, ad equal to bc, এটাই তো আসবে। তাহলে এটার ক্ষেত্রেও এটা আমরা লিখতে পারি। Now from here, first come from here, you just multiply numerator of both the side by 8 and denominator of both the side by 5. Okay. So what will happen? 8a square by 5b square is equal to 8c square by 5d square. Okay. Why? See, multiplying both the numerator by same number, that means nothing have done. Okay. You can multiply both the numerator by same number. Here I have multiplied by 8. 8a square equal to 8c square. And another thing, 5b square equal to 5d square. Okay. Using formula of dividendo. Okay. That means 8a square minus 5b square by 5b square is equal to 8c square minus 5d square by 5d square. Okay. By dividendo rules. Okay. By dividendo you can write like this. From this ratio you can write this. Now see. From here you can write 8a square minus 5b square by 8c square minus 5d square is equal to 5b square by 5d square. Right? So here you have to find out the value of this expression. Now you have got this expression. Now that will be equal to b square by d square. If you cancel this 5, b square by d square. Now see the option. No option is equal to b square by d square. So what will you do? See this one. Now see this one. You just need to apply this same thing. A square by a square by c square is equal to b square by d square, right? So you can write a square by c square here. So that will be the answer. So option 2 is the correct answer. Clear? Now next question. See this question. Question number C. X plus y by z is equal to y plus z by x is equal to z plus x by y. Now you can add all the numerator and all the denominator. By all the denominator, you can write like this. So that is equal x plus y plus z plus z plus x by z plus x plus y. Okay. Now that means, see here, x plus x 2x, y plus y 2y, z plus z 2z. So 2 into x plus y plus z. And here x plus y plus z. So you can cancel this 2 term and 2 will be the answer. Okay. So option 3 is the correct answer. See this one. Option 3 is the correct answer. Okay. Now question number D. If x square minus 4 by x square plus 4 equal to 3 by 5. Now you can use componendo dividendo here. So using componendo dividendo, x minus 4 plus x square plus 4 by x square minus 4 minus x square minus 4 is equal to 3 plus 5, 3 minus 5. So 2x square minus 8 is equal to 8 by minus 2. You can cancel this minus. This is 4. This is 4. So x square is 4 square. Now see, x square equal to 16. So x equal to plus minus 4. That will be the answer. So option 2 is the correct answer. Now question number E. See, if this one happens, see this kind of, in case of this kind of case, you just need to add all the numerator and all the denominator. Okay. So x by a plus b minus c equal to y by b plus c minus a is equal to z by c plus a minus b. That will be always equal to this one. This, all the ratios are equal to the ratio x plus y plus z by a plus b minus c plus b plus c minus a plus c plus a minus b. Okay. X plus y plus z by c, a plus a minus a, so a, b plus b minus b, so b, and c plus c minus c, so c will be there. Okay. Now this one is equal to 5. Now see another thing. There is one condition. See, a plus b plus c is 7. So you can put 7 here. So you can say, you can write x plus y plus z is equal to 5 into 7. 5 into this one. So 5 into 7, 35. Option 1 is the correct answer. Okay. See question number 2. Question number 2. If a is to b is equal to c is to d, then prove that expression. Okay. So 1 of 2. Okay. A is to b is equal to c is to d. That means a by b is equal to c by. Now see what we need to prove. 5a plus, have to prove 5a plus 7b by 5a minus 7b is equal to 5c plus 7d by 5c minus 7d. Right? That I need to prove. Now see, this is one kind of componendo dividendo form of the fraction 5a by 7b and 5c by 7d, right? That you can write like this one. You can easily write that 5a, that means 5a by 7b is equal to 5c by 7d. Or else from here, what you can do, see, you can multiply both the numerator by same number that I have already discussed. See, if you multiply both the numerator by 5a, 5c, and all the denominator by 7, then you will get 7b equal to 7d. Okay. Now if you apply componendo, 5a plus 7b by 5a minus 7b is equal to 5c plus 7d by 5c minus 7d. Okay, fine. See again. See the another ratios, same condition hold. See, a is to b is equal to c is to d. That is given. Now what you have to prove? Have to prove now from here you can write a by b is equal to c by d, right? Now you can multiply all the numerator by x by and denominator by y. So you will get this one. Now using componendo, what you can write? See, using componendo, this one plus this one by this one. Numerator plus denominator by denominator. So that means XA plus YB by YB is equal to XC plus YD by YD. Okay. Now from here you can say XA plus YB by XC plus YD is equal to YB by YD, right? So that means you can cancel these Y terms and you will get B by D. Okay. Now question number 3. If 7A plus 8B, 7C minus 8D is equal to 7A minus 8B, 7C plus 8D. Now see one thing. Don't get confused. This is product of two terms. This is product of two terms. There is no that is to symbol, ratio symbol. So don't write this one by this one is equal to this one by this one. No. This is product of two terms. Okay. So what you can write, see 7A plus 8B. Here 7A minus 8B. So you can, that can come under this one and that can come under this one. So that means you can write 7A plus 8B by 7A minus 8B. That is equal to 7C plus 8D by 7C minus 8D. Okay, that you can write. Now see, this is the componendo dividendo form of 7A by 8B is equal to 7C by 8D. So you can, this is inverse of componendo dividendo, or else you can apply again componendo dividendo here. What I mean, let me simplify it. See, this is inverse componendo dividendo of 7A by 8B is equal to 7C by 8D. That you can come up from this step. And or else, if you think it's complicated, then use componendo dividendo in this step. So what will you do? 7A plus 8B plus, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. This one plus this one minus this one. So now see, you can cancel out these two terms, that two terms, these two terms and that two terms. Now see, this will be 14A by 18B is equal to 14C by 18D. So you can easily write like 7A by 8B, 7A by 8B is equal to 7C by 8D. Okay. So that means you can come up from both the side. Okay. Now you can cancel these two terms and that two terms. So you will get A by B is equal to C by D. That you have to prove. See, A is to B is equal to C is to A is to B is equal to C is to D. Proved. See the question number 4. 1 of 4. See, x equal to this one and then you have to find out the value of this expression. Now see, value of x is given. You have to find out this expression, value of this expression. Now you can easily put value of x here and then you will find out the value. But that calculation will be lengthy. So what you can do, see this. X equal to 6AB by A plus B. So see this term, x plus 3A, x minus 3A, x plus 3B, x minus 3B. This is one kind of componendo dividendo format, right? So x, in that case, numerator will be x and denominator will be 3A, right? And here numerator will be x and denominator will be 3B, right? So you can write this one as 3A into 2B by A plus B or equal to 2A 3B A plus B, right? Both the way you can write. Now see. So from here you can write x by 3A is equal to 2B by A plus B, or x by 3B is equal to 2A by A plus B, right? Now from both the cases, if you apply componendo dividendo formula, x plus 3A by x minus 3A is equal to 2B plus A plus B by 2B minus A minus B, okay? And x plus 3B by x minus 3B is equal to 2A plus A plus B, 2A minus B, okay? Now that will give you 3b plus a, and that will give you b minus a. 3a plus b and a minus b. Okay. You can write it minus 3a plus b by b minus a, right? You can write like this. Now if you add this two term, what will happen? X plus 3a by x minus 3a plus x plus 3b by x minus 3b is equal to 3b plus a by b minus a minus 3a plus b by b minus a. Now denominator will be b minus a and 3b plus a minus 3a minus b. Okay. So 2 will be the answer. 2b minus 2a, you can take common 2 and ba and b minus a, b minus a. So you can cancel this portion. So you will get 2a. 2 will be the answer. Okay. Now next question. See the next question. Similar way you have to do. If a equal to 4 root 6 by root 2 plus root 3. So you can write 2 root 2, 2 root 3, 2 root 2 into 2 root 3. Root 6 means root 2 into root 3. So 2 root 2 into 2 root 3. 2 plus root 3. Right? Now from here you can write a by 2 root 2 equal to 2 root 3 root 2 plus root 3, or a by 2 root 3 is equal to 2 root 2 by root 2 plus root 3. Now if you use componendo dividendo here, a plus 2 root 2 by a minus 2 root 2 is equal to 3 root 3 plus root 2. Why 3 root 3 plus root 2? See, if you add this one plus this one, see 2 root 2, 2 root 3, 2 root 3 plus root 3. So 3 root 3, and this one will come here. And if you subtract numerator and denominator, what you will get? Root 3 minus root 2. Okay. And from here, a plus 2 root 3 by a minus 2 root 3. That will give you 3 root 2 plus root 3. Root 2 minus root 3. So you can write 3 root 2 plus root 3, root 2 minus root 3. Okay. Now what you can do, if you add this two term, you will get denominator will be root 2 minus root 3, and here, okay, root 3 minus root 2. So root 3 minus root 2. Okay. And it will become root 3 minus root 2. Okay. Now if you cancel this two term, you will get 2. 2 will be the answer. Okay. Now see the question number 5. See, the left hand side is product of two terms and right hand side is also product of two terms. Okay. Now you can write a plus b plus c plus d into a minus b minus c plus d is equal to a plus b minus c minus d into a minus b plus c minus d. Now see carefully. This term a plus b plus c plus d. If you underline this term as x, suppose x, and this term as y. Now see this expression. This is ax and this is minus y. You can write, or you can think in this way. So you can write this one is this term x plus y and x minus y, right? So you can write this term under this term, right? You can write the entire expression by this way: a plus b plus c plus d by a plus b minus c minus d is equal to a minus b plus c minus d by a minus b minus c plus d. Okay. Now this is componendo dividendo format, right? So you can write, if you apply inverse of that formula, you will get direct a plus b by c plus d is equal to a minus b by c minus d. Or else if you want to do in another way, what you can do, this one plus this one by this one minus this one. So a plus b plus c plus d plus a plus b minus c minus d by using componendo dividendo here, and numerator is this one, denominator is this one, so you have to add numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. A plus b plus c plus d minus a minus b plus c plus d, that is equal to a minus b plus c minus d plus a minus b minus c plus d by a minus b plus c minus d minus a plus b plus c minus d. Okay. Now, see what you can cancel. So, you will get 2 into a plus b by 2 into c plus d is equal to 2 into a minus b by 2 into c minus d. From that step, you can write a plus b by c plus d is equal to a minus b by c minus d, right? This one. Okay. Now see, from here, you can exchange this two value. I mean, you can write a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. And from this step, you can directly write a by b is equal to c by d. Inverse of componendo dividendo formula. Okay. Hence proved. Okay. See, you have to prove a is to b equal to c is to d. That means a is to b equal to c is to d. Right? Now, next question. Question number 6. See the expression. See the expression. If a minus 2b, this expression is equal to that expression, show that this one. Okay. Let's write it. Question number 6. A minus 2b minus 3c plus 4d by a plus 2b minus 3c minus 4d is equal to a minus 2b plus 3c minus 4d by a plus 2b plus 3c plus 4d. Okay. Now see, a minus 2b, a minus 2b. Okay. 3c minus 4d here, and here minus 3c plus 4d. Okay. So, I'm choosing this one by that one and this one by that one. Why? Because you can change this to, see, in case of this kind of thing, a by b equal to c by d, you can exchange this to place. d by b equal to c by a. You can write like this. Okay. So, just applying these things, I'm writing this term here and this term here. Exchanging these two corner terms. A plus 2b plus 3c plus 4d by a plus 2b minus 3c minus 4d is equal to a minus 2b plus 3c minus 4d by a minus 2b minus 3c plus 4d. Okay. Now see, this is the componendo dividendo formula of this one plus this one minus this one. So you can write from here a plus 2b by 3c plus 4d is equal to a minus 2b by 3c minus 4d. Okay. You can write like this. Now again, you have to exchange this two term, place of these two terms. So if you exchange these two terms, you will get a plus 2b by a minus 2b is equal to 3c plus 4d by 3c minus 4d. Now again, this is componendo dividendo form. See, a plus 2b, a minus 2b, 3c plus 4d, 3c minus 4d. So you can write that implies a by 2b is equal to 3c by 4d. You can omit 2 and 4. So 2 you will get 2. Now from here you can write 2ad, if you cross multiply, 2ad equal to 3bc. Proved. See question number 7. If a square plus b square into x square plus y square is equal to ax plus by whole square, then you have to prove this expression. Okay, so question number 7. A square plus b square x square plus y square is equal to ax plus by whole square. Okay. So if you multiply, just multiply it. A square x square plus b square x square plus a square y square plus b square y square is equal to a square x square plus 2 abxy plus b square y square, right? Now you can cancel out these two terms and that two terms. Now see this one, b square x square plus a square y square is equal to 2abxy, right? Now see, b square x square minus 2abxy plus a square y square is equal to 0. Okay. So bx minus ay whole square is equal to 0. That means bx is equal to ay. Now from here you can write a by x is equal to b by y. Okay, proved. Now see question number 8. A, B, C are in continued proportion. Then prove that this one equal to that one. See question number 8. A, B, C are in continued proportion. A, that means B square equal to AC. Okay. Now see the left hand side. A square plus AB plus B square by B square plus BC plus C square is equal to, see, in place of B square you can put AC. So A square plus AB plus AC by AC plus BC plus C square. Now you can take common A from the numerator. You will get A plus B plus C, and you can take common C here. So A plus B plus C. If you cancel this term, you will get A by C. Proved. That is the RHS. So proved. Okay. 1 of 9. See the question. Root x plus 5 plus root x minus 16 by root x plus 5 minus root x minus 16 is equal to 7 by 3. Okay. Now use componendo for dividendo for formula. Using componendo dividendo formula. 2. Okay, let's do it. Root x plus 5 plus root x minus 16 plus root x plus 5 minus root x minus 16 by root x plus 5 plus root x minus 16 minus root x plus 5 plus root x minus 16 is equal to 7 plus 3 by 7 minus 3. Okay. Now 2 root x plus 5 by 2 root x minus 16. If you cancel this term, see, you will get this term. That will be equal to 10 by 4. 5 by 2. Now if you square both the side, x plus 5 by x minus 16 is equal to 25 by 4. Okay. So that means 4x plus 20 is equal to 25x minus 400. 16 into 25, that will be 400. Now 21x is equal to 420. X will be 20. That will be the answer. Okay. Now next question. Same type of question. Question number 2 of 9. 3x plus root 9x square minus 5 by 3x minus root 9x square minus 5 is equal to 5. Now 5 means 5 by 1. Okay. Now use componendo dividendo formula. What you will get? This one plus this one. That means you have to cancel this two term. Okay, let me show you. 3x plus root 9x square minus 5 plus 3x minus root 9x square minus 5 by 3x plus root 9x square minus 5 minus 3x plus root 9x square minus 5, okay, is equal to 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 is equal to 6 by 4. You can cancel this two term. You can cancel this two term. You will get 6x by 2 root 9x square minus 5 is equal to 6 by 4. 2x is equal to root 9x square minus 5. So, you will get 4x square is equal to 9x square minus 5. So, 5x square is equal to 5. So, x square is equal to 1. So, x, that means x equal to plus minus 1. That will be the answer. Okay. See question number 10. X equal to root of a plus 3b plus root a minus 3b by root a plus 3b minus root a minus 3b. Okay. Now, again, you can use componendo dividendo formula here. X means x by 1. So, x plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to, see, the same way. So, you can write 2 this one by 2 this one. Okay. If you add these two terms, this one plus this one, that means this term will cancel out. So, at the numerator, it will become 2a plus root a plus 3b. And at the denominator, this one minus this one. So, you have to cancel these two terms. So, you will get. Now, if you square both the term, x plus 1 square by x minus 1 square is equal to a plus 3b by a minus 3b. Okay. Again, if you apply componendo dividendo formula, you will get x plus 1 square plus x minus 1 square by x plus 1 square minus x minus 1 square is equal to a plus 3b plus a minus 3b by a plus 3b minus a plus 3b. Okay. So, you can cancel this two term. You can cancel these two terms. And 2a by 6. Yes, 6b. And here, a plus b square plus a minus b square. That means 2 into a square plus b square. Right? From the formula. So, you will get 2x square plus 1 by, this one means 4ab, a plus b square minus a minus b square. That means 4ab. So, 4 into x into 1, that means 4x is equal to 2a by 6b. You can cancel this 2. So, x square plus 1 by 2x is equal to a by 3b. Hence, 3x square b plus 3b minus 2ax is equal to 0. Okay. So, 3bx square minus 2ax plus 3b is equal to 0. See, this one proved. Now, next problem. Question number 11. Using property of proportion, solve x to the power 4 plus 1 by 2x square is equal to 17 by 8. If you use componendo dividendo formula, x to the power 4 plus 1 plus 2x square by x to the power 4 plus 1 minus 2x square is equal to 17 plus 8 by 17 minus 8. Okay. Using componendo and dividendo. Okay. Now see, this is x square plus 1 square and this one is x square minus 1 square is equal to, if you add, this will be 25 and this will be 9. So, x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. That you can write. Now, again, if you use componendo dividendo formula, what you will get? X square plus 1 plus x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 minus x square plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 3 by 5 minus 3. So, 2x square by 2 is equal to 8 by 2. Hence, x equal to plus minus 2. That will be the answer. Okay. Now, question number 12. See, x equal to root m plus n plus root m minus n by root m plus n minus root m minus n. X plus 1 by x minus 1 using same thing, componendo dividendo formula. I'm not going to write the same thing. Okay. So, you will get 2 root m plus n by 2 root m minus n. Why? See, use componendo dividendo formula, you will get this these things. Okay. Now, if you square two terms, x plus 1 square by x minus 1 square is equal to m plus n by m minus n. Right? Now, again, if you use componendo dividendo formula, you will get x square plus 1, 2 into x square plus 1, x square, see, x plus 1 square plus x minus 1 square, you will get this one by x plus 1 square minus x minus 1 square. So, the same things what you have done just before this problem. Question number 10. In case of question number 10, just the same way, you will get here 4x. And here you will get m plus m means 2m by 2n. So you can omit these two terms. See, n into x square plus 1 is equal to mx. So that means n equal to mx by x square plus 1, right? So this is the expression of n in terms of x and m. X and m, okay? See, express n in terms of x and m. So this is the expression. N equal to mx by x square plus 1, okay? See the next problem. Question number 13. X cube plus 3xy square by 3x square y plus y cube is equal to m cube plus 3mn square 3m square n plus n cube. Okay. Use componendo dividendo formula. So what will you get? X cube plus 3xy square plus 3x square y plus y cube. That is the formula of x plus y whole cube. X cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square y minus y cube is equal to, see these things, you just need to add numerator and denominator and numerator minus denominator. Now obviously this is x plus y whole cube, x minus y whole cube is equal to m plus n whole cube by m minus n whole cube. So from here you can write x plus y by x minus y is equal to m plus n by m minus n. Okay. Now from here you can write x by y is equal to m by n. Again use componendo dividendo formula. You will get these things. And from here you can easily write nx equal to nx is equal to my. Proved. See, this is inverse componendo dividendo, or else you can use componendo dividendo as this one as numerator, this one as denominator. You will get 2x by 2y, 2m by 2n. Same process. Okay. Now see the question number 14. See, question number 14 and 15 are question of variation. Now what do you mean by direct variation and indirect variation? Now see, suppose you have two variable. Okay, two variable. One is length of a cloth. See the first example. One is length of cloth and another one is cost of cloth. Now see, these two variable are dependent. How? If you increase length of cloth, cost will increase. That means direct variation. Okay, but in suppose a car is running through a road. Okay, now if speed of car increase, time taken by that car, that will decrease, right? And if speed of that car decrease, then time taken by that car will increase when distance is fixed. Okay, so that means here speed and time, they are inversely variate. That is the example of inverse variation. But this is the case of direct variation. See, length of cloth bought in meter, cost of cloth. So from here you can write, it is the case of direct variation. Okay, so 10 by 40 is equal to A by 100 is equal to 40 by B is equal to C by 180. So from these two terms, 10 by 40 is equal to A by 100. That means 4A is equal to 100. That means A equal to 25. Okay. Now from these two terms, 1 by 4. See, 10 by 40 means 1 by 4 is equal to 40 by B. So B equal to 160. And from this two term, this term and that term, 1 by 4 is equal to C by 180. That means C equal to 180 by 4. 45. Okay. So A is 25, B is 160, C is 45. That will be the answer. Now next question. Question number 2. See, height of vertical pole in centimeter, length of its shadow on a horizontal ground in centimeter. See, obviously this is also a case of direct variation. So it is the case of direct variation. Okay. So 56 by 32 is equal to 672 by A is equal to 448 by B is equal to 2016 by C. Okay. Now from first two part, 7 by 4, right? If you divide by 8, 7 by 4 is equal to 672 by A. So A will be 384, B will be 256 and C will be 1152. Now see question number 15. See, number of men and number of days required to do the same work. Okay. Men and work means inversely proportionate. I mean inverse variation. Suppose you consider two cases. In one cases, one person doing a work. Okay. Suppose W is the work. And you need 10 days to complete. Now in second case, you invite your friends. Suppose you have 5 friends and 5 people. Okay, along with 5 and you means 6 people. You are doing same work. So what do you think? You will do it within lesser day. That means less than 10. You need days which will be obviously will do it कम time में कर सकते हो, right? You can do it in lesser time. Okay. So that means number of men and number of days required to do the same work, that will be inverse variation. Okay. So it is the case of inverse variation. Okay. So that means 30 into A is equal to 70 into 39. Okay. First one that you can write from here. So that means you can cut by 13. So it will give you 10. It will be 3. A equal to 21. Okay. Now next one. 70 into 39 is equal to B into 30. B equal to 7 into 13. 91. Next. 70 into 39 is equal to 120 into C. So C will be 70 into 39. So it will become 91 by 4. Hence this will be the answer. Okay. Now next one. See the question. Question number 2 of 15. Last question. See, that is also speed and time. So that means it is also case of inverse variation. Okay. Inverse variation. It is the case of inverse variation. So A into 8 is equal to 60 into B is equal to 150 into 2 is equal to C into 6. So from A into 8 is equal to 150 into 2. Okay. So that means A equal to 150 into 2 by 8. So 37.5. That is the value of A. Okay. 60 into B is equal to 150 into 2. So B equal to 300 by 60. So 5. B will be 5. And 300 is equal to 6. C into 6. That means C equal to 300 by 6. So it will be 50. Okay.